Welcome guys to another tutorial. In this tutorial we're going to learn on how to make a rebinding action. For the ability to rebind actions for our game. So first off, create a rebind action script. You're also going to need a button that will rebind the action, a button that will reset the action, and a panel with some text. It's not shown, but I will show it later. Then create a script. Afterwards you need the following variables: an input action reference, text mesh display pro, text mesh pro. You can also use normal text, but text mesh pro looks better. A game object and another text mesh pro text. Then you need a public void for rebinding and a public void for resetting. I'm using these for cleaner code. Then here in the start rebind, first we need an awake then we need to check string rebind action JSON name equal player refs dot get string rebind action the reference dot action dot name you can name this anything you want. I'm just naming it as an example, so JSON at the end, and string dot empty. This is for persistent rebinding. Next we need an if string string is null or empty, rebind the variable we just made. Then action ref dot action dot load binding override from JSON, and then also we need the display text dot text to be equal action the reference dot action dot get display string. Now you can set this however you want. For example, don't you can see them. Now that we are done with awake and with public button parameters. For rebinding, we first need to check if the rebind menu, which I'm going to add a question mark just in case it's null, dot set active to rebind menu text dot set text waiting for input to remap action chain dot name and add a semicolon. Then action dot disable, then action dot perform interactive rebinding dot with cancelling through You can set this anything you want. I'm just going to set it to key dot escape or keyboard dot current dot escape and with controls excluding mouse. You can set this to anything you want also. I just simply don't want any mouse input. Dot on cancel X, we use the lambda function on cancel rebinding X and then action dot on complete. It's the same on complete rebinding action and then we start. Now on cancel rebinding we operation dot dispose rebind menu dot set active false. Now here's the big part. Operation dot dispose rebind menu dot set active for false. Display text dot set text equal action dot get binding display string and then action dot enable and then player prefs dot save or set string. Then we'll copy this from our week. Action dot save binding operator JSON. And to reset the binding we first need action dot disable action dot remove binding or binding override and then 0 action dot enable and display text equal action dot get binding display string. Dot set text and then here we wait 3, 2, 1 and then we go to the rebind button, add the rebind action, jump, and the display text is going to be this. The rebind menu is going to be final and the rebinding text is going to be this. And to make sure we can reset the action, we go into rebind action dot reset rebind, and then to rewind. And now I can jump with space, but now I can jump with H or now, and I can reset it, and now it works. So hopefully you found this tutorial useful. If you found it useful, then please give a like. If you didn't, then please give a dislike. If you want to support this channel, then please subscribe. And if you don't want to miss on any future uploads, then click that notification bell. Anyways, see you later.